In this video, we will show you how to migrate WordPress website from one domain to another. If you are using WordPress completely in your existing domain and now if you would like to migrate it into another domain including all your data, then simply go to your website in your first domain, that is your previous domain. Now open the cPanel of your source domain and then go to File Manager section. Now from here, go inside public_HTML. These are all your files. For example, we have our files inside demo, but you might be having your files directly inside public_HTML. Therefore, zip your public_HTML completely. Since we have our files inside demo folder, we are zipping the demo folder here. But in your case, you need to zip public_HTML if the files are located in the main folder. Now, once the zip file is ready, simply download this compressed file into your local PC. Now, once you have downloaded this file, go to phpMyAdmin section in your cPanel of your old domain. Now from here, you need to export each and every database which is related to your website. You can check which is your database from your wp-config.php file. Simply export the database in SQL format. If you don't know which is your database, simply go to your wp-config.php file and check the name of database and then come back here. Once you have exported this file, open that file in Notepad++. If you don't have Notepad++, you can also open in Notepad. Now here, you need to find and replace old domain with new domain. Therefore, press Ctrl H and then type here your old domain. And then, in front of replace with, type your new domain on which you are going to migrate your data. In this way, all the old domains will be replaced with new domains in your database. Here we can see that 29 occurrences has been replaced. Now save this file into the same location with the same name. Now open your destination cPanel where you want to migrate this data and then go to File Manager section. Now from here, go inside public_HTML and then upload the downloaded zipped file which you downloaded from your old cPanel. Now after uploading this file, you can simply click over Go Back. Now we need to extract this zip file which we uploaded recently. Once you have extracted the files, you need to place all the files into the correct location. Therefore, you can move all these files directly inside public_HTML. Now, go to MySQL database section and then create a new database here. You can create a new database with any name. Make sure you remember the name of the database that you are creating from here. Now, create a database user, enter password for that user, confirm the password and then click over Create User. In this way, a new MySQL user will be created. Now, click over Go Back and then we need to add that user to database. Come to the bottom of the screen and then select that user and database which you created just now and then click over Add. In this way, the MySQL user will be added to the database successfully. Assign all privileges and then click over Make Changes. Once this is done, click over the square box to visit cPanel homepage and now again go to phpMyAdmin of your new domain. This is the new cPanel account where we are going to migrate our data. Now select the same database which we created just now and then click over Import. Now from here, browse your downloaded .sql file which we downloaded from earlier cPanel. Now simply select the SQL format and then click over Go to upload this database. In this way, your database will be successfully uploaded into the new cPanel account. Now go to the File Manager of your new cPanel account and then we need to go inside public_HTML. Now from here, go inside the installation directory, or else simply edit wp-config.php inside your public_HTML. Now inside this file, you will find db name, db user and db password. Simply write the correct values here which you created earlier in your new cPanel account that we asked you to remember. Once you enter the correct database password, database user and database name, click over Save Changes. Now, if you open the destination website in your web browser, you will find that your WordPress website is migrated successfully along with the complete data, posts, comment and everything which should be present in the destination website. In this way, you can successfully migrate your WordPress website from one domain to another. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to buy web hosting for such WordPress needs, then redserverhost.com is the most efficient and affordable hosting provider. Grab now.